Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I have filmed a YouTube video and actually posted it. I am so sorry. I think in my last video I was pregnant. I am no longer pregnant. I had my baby a couple months, 2 months ago, and yeah, mommyhood is just a serious job, guys. It's the hardest job I've ever had, the best job, but definitely the hardest and the most time consuming. I thought that I was gonna have a hard time filming videos pre-pregnancy, like on a regular basis. Yeah, who was I kidding? If you guys are watching this and you guys have been subscribed since pre-pregnancy, thank you guys for watching again. I seriously appreciate you guys sticking around because I know I probably seemed like I was never coming back. Anyways, in this video today, I wanted to show you guys another jewelry haul. I did post, I think back in March, a jewelry haul from this company called Jolieee. And again, the jewelry I'm gonna show you is from Jolieee as well. I don't know, I just don't think you can get any better because everything is $1 on their site. So it may seem like you're gonna spend a lot of money here, but like literally $1. You can buy 10 things and it's like not even the cost of a necklace that you'd buy at Nordstrom. I am gonna do a big giveaway on my Instagram, I think next week. So make sure you follow my Instagram so that you can enter in it. I'm gonna put my Instagram somewhere in this video and hopefully one of you guys win. Okay, let me just show you guys what I got. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna take everything out of its packaging just so you can, you know, get a better look. And then if I end up giving it away, I'll put it back in the packaging. This little bracelet here, it's black and it has like these little gold things on it. And then it has this little thing at the end, but, oh, yeah, that's how you put it on. I like a bunch of bracelets in one little contraption. It just makes it easier. This is very cute. I love it. It will go with everything because it's black. And not to mention, every single piece I'm going to show you is $1. Cannot get better than that. So very cute, $1. Matches what I'm wearing right now, which is black tank top. Like, it dresses it up, you know, because honestly, sometimes I think my style's a little bit boring, especially now that I become a mom, because let's just face it, nothing fits yet. So I need to dress up my boring outfits with some stylish jewelry. Okay, the next thing I got, which I got these in brown in my last video, and then I just got a black pair because I think they are so cute. They're little hoops and they have this like black suede wrap around them. I love my brown ones. I feel like I've said cute in this video already 20 times. If you guys can count how many times I say cute in this video, I will give you a prize. I don't know what that prize is yet, but I'll figure it out. Anyways, yeah, these are super cute and they dress up any boring outfit. They're really actually not that heavy either. Sometimes I get nervous about earrings because I think that they're gonna hurt my ears at the end of the day, but I've worn these all day and I've been totally okay. The next thing I got, these also, I have these, I think I have these in black, and I got a brown pair because they are so cute, and truthfully, I think they look way more expensive than $1. I feel like dangly earrings are super trendy right now, and so if you can get some cheap ones, you will be very happy. These are only, again, $1, and they are very cute on. I love the black ones I have, so I had to get a brown pair too. These ones I got, I don't think I got these in my last haul, but these ones I got, they're more of a natural wood color, but again, dangly earrings, cute, super trendy, and $1. Honestly, you could wear a different pair every single day and people would be like, damn, she's so stylish. These will go with anything, so that's a plus. Okay, what else? What else did I get here? This one I think is so cute, and it's like a bunch of chains in one, which I like. Super cute, girly, and I like that it's a light color so that again, it'll go with anything. Honestly, it'd go with what I'm wearing right now. After discovering this website, I am not really sure I'll ever buy expensive jewelry again. Next, I'm going to show you, okay, so I showed you the black version of this bracelet. I got a brown version as well. The same little bracelet here, it's just brown. This one's really cute too. And honestly, I feel like I can mix and match a bunch of this jewelry. $1, guys. And not to mention, my other haul, I've had that jewelry now since I think it was March. For it being $1, none of it has broke. I mean, everything's still intact, which is a huge deal. I don't know about you guys, but when I bought cheap jewelry before, it like breaks after one use. Nothing. I better knock on wood, but nothing. Everything is still intact. Next, I got This little dangly choker, I love chokers. I'm just gonna go like that. I love chokers. I think they will forever be trendy. It's gold and you know, you can wear it with other long dangly necklaces and it would still be cute, or you can wear it on its own. Okay, next, I think this might be my favorite thing that I got from Jolieee. I love separate earrings, and that also I feel is very trendy right now. One of them, obviously, you can see is like a dangly triangle, and then one of them is just like a long dangly. I just love mix and match type of earrings. Honestly, I feel like I'd see something like this on Etsy for probably like 25 bucks. Why would you ever want to pay that? Next, I got another pair of earrings. I've gotten a lot of earrings in this haul. My next pair of earrings are these little crosses, again, dangly. I'm just digging all the dangly earrings, which is probably not smart with me having a newborn because she can just be like, but you know, gotta be trendy because my mom's style is kind of lacking, so at least I'm gonna have cute jewelry. But yeah, these are really cute dangly little crosses, $1, and they're light. That's what I love. Heavy earrings honestly give me a headache, and then all I can think about is my ear all day, and then I'm pissed off and I have like an inflamed ear. Not with these because they're so light. They're not like dragging my earlobe down. Okay, and then last but not least, I got a ring. I got this tiny little ring. I'm definitely gonna do a pop-up here so that you guys can see it. It's really cute and it honestly goes with so much, and you can also like squeeze it together so that it's tighter, but it goes with a bunch of my jewelry. Oh my god, it's so cute! I wanted to give this away, but honestly I want it so bad. I think it's adorable. I don't know if I'm gonna give it away because I love it so much. It's really cute. I just need my nails done now. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff from Jolieee. I think they are a great website just because they're so cheap, and you can honestly, like, this kind of stuff is great for like Christmas, because if you have a family member or a friend that loves jewelry and you want to feel like you're getting them a lot of stuff, but like for a really good price, might as well stock up now. Like, these are great stocking stuffers. I mean, you can buy like 10 things and spend 10 bucks. Your friend's gonna think like, damn, she really went all out. This stuff is great. I love cheap jewelry. I think I just need like a great organizer so that I can actually see everything that I have, because I get so much that I forget. I guess that's a good problem to have, right? So anyways, I'm going to link the website down below in the description box so that you guys can go shop yourselves. And I am going to do a big giveaway next week, I think, on my Instagram, so that one of you guys gets to win a bunch of jewelry. Let me know if you guys have shopped with Jolieee before. Let me know what you've thought. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because I'm really hoping to come back on a more regular basis. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.